Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has fallen 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator transitioned sharply into the negative zone. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.1% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has lost steam and is currently neutral. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last session. The CCI is sinking and is now giving a neutral signal. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is losing steam and is now giving a positive signal.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
World shares have started the week off with a rally, as Japan's Nikkei 225 index closed above 30,000 for the first time since 1990. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor has become a Bitcoin figurehead with the company's recent purchase of $1 billion in BTC. Australia's Seven West Media Limited became the country's first major news outlet to strike a licensing deal with Google, as the government pushes ahead with a law that would force the internet giant to pay for content.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The U.S. three-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The U.S. total net TIC flows at 2100 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 700 GMT. The Eurozone's U survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 1000 GMT. Japan's merchandise trade balance total at 2350 GMT. Japan's imports at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.